In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Melbet bonus account. So it will be very simple to do. Well, you first come and click on your menu. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. Then from here, you will just come and click on others, or you can even first of all come and click on your messages here. By clicking now here, you will see the message which will appear if and only if you have put or use or activate the bonus of deposit of account. By using it now, you will now come and click here on your electronic purse. By clicking on it, you will see at the place of main account, just write down, you will see now the account of the bonus, which is or the bonus account. Now you will activate the bonus account. By activating this bonus account, by having already money, which will confirm that you have already put or activated your first deposit of account. By doing so now, you will be now able to bet as you like by using also that bonus amount. You can come, for example, on fast games by clicking on bonuses. Now by clicking on bonus, so by playing other games like Lucky Wheel and win unique bonuses or complete a task each day to get your daily bonus. So you will see your bonuses from here.